absolutely acting stupid, the Wi-Fi, for some reason. I don't know why. It's just absolutely nuts. We already entered this position, got 3 contracts. This thing is pushing like crazy, like you haven't pushed in years. So we'll see what happens. We're down 400 already, so fuck it. Let me fix this shit real quick. That was the most annoyingest thing out there. Alright, let's see. Delete that one. Certainly go here. Go there. Yeah, let's see that pushback here. Let's see that pullback here. Beautiful. Just drop as hard as you possibly can, homie. Alright, we got 3 contracts. So what's the let me see. So here we got the box again, alright, the 5 minute chart, and then I'm gonna draw the box here. Very simple and easy. Above this is bullish, below this is bearish, in the middle it's consolidation. I'm feeling like this is just a fake out for a further downside. Taking the risk, yeah? Taking the risk. Wix is kind of dropping. I didn't even notice that shit, bro. What the fuck? I did not even notice. The hell? Alright, so we'll see what happens in a second. Oh my god, the amount of time this live stream turned off was absolutely annoying. Not even joking. It was turned on, turned off, turned on, turned off. So I was just annoyed by that. So I thought I should go ahead and just turn the shit off the life. Yo, it is pumping. The fudge, dude. Looks like it's bullish. Alright, so that's better. Just let me see. What's this? Now we're talking. Yeah, the market's strong. That's not a good sign for us here. Why do I always go against the market? Why do I do that? I need to change that habit. That is a hurtful habit to me. Come on, so above this is bullish, below this is bearish, in the middle is consolidation. I'm guessing bearish for some reason here. And yeah, VIX is kind of dropping. It's not a good sign for us, obviously, when we are in bear. Yeah, this thing's strong. I believe that's a resistant point. Is it? Let me see. Could be. That's why I placed it there. Probably that's why. Yeah, that it's resisting that level. Alright, this thing most definitely would be a hard drop if it do drop. We are kind of cooked here. This thing is bullish as hell. That is making a higher low. That's not good, bro. What the fudge are we doing? We are supposed to be professionals. Yeah, this thing's pushing, homie. This thing's absolutely crazy. I'm guessing this 411 will be head. Maybe not. Maybe yes. Let me see. Yeah, VIX is dropping crazy. S&P is red. Nasdaq is almost red, and that was red. All right, let's just see what's happening here. It's the volume. Let's look at SoFi and Robinhood. Stupidest stocks out there. All right, so let's see. Already out of today, sold my stock purchase around 365. Target 405. Damn, homie. Oh shit! That let me see. It that could be possible. Jesus fucking me's, homie. The fuck? Break above 411. We could all the way go to like 420. That's absolutely nuts. What am I doing? That's crazy. Why am I going against the market here? That's pretty interesting, isn't it? I'm literally going against the market. Jeez, dude. Fucking stupid move that was. Yeah, I'm just going against the market here. Market's green, isn't it? Kind of. Maybe not too much, but hey, it is. At least MU is freaking green. That's green big time here. Got that SNDK pushing. Hold on. Yeah, that's just fucked up move that was by me. Yeah, I feel like I'm going against the market here. Hold on. This looks like a consolidation level here. This thing tried like 3 times already. Yeah, these type of trades gonna be boring, but that's fine. Boring is what we like. Yeah, this thing is resisting like crazy here. Stayed above. Yeah, jeez. See, definitely need to see that 403 obviously breaking below. Very interesting, very interesting. Yeah, I'm just going against the market here, I think. Maybe I'm not. That's what I think I'm doing though. Yeah, I kinda am. Let's see here. This thing is a sideways action here. Looking at this can't possibly hit 417 here. Maybe not, I'm not sure. Let me see. Why did I say 417? Because of this. See what happens here. Let's just focus on this real quick. See a kind of drop here. Bit of drop. Yeah, still resisting. What the fudge is this point, dude? Let me check 4592. Like that's it's like still intact. 4592. What is this shit? Hold on. This thing's holding it like crazy. It's probably a pretty strong resistant point there. Yeah, it's just wow. What the fudge, dude? Y'all see that? Let's see what's happening here, right? That is one, two, three, four. 5, 6, and now 7. Is it gonna break below that? Or is it gonna play games here? Jeez, it's not breaking below that level. Oh my god, dude. What is that shit? The fudge? Are you kidding me? Oh, that's what it is here. A break above this would be kind of ugly. Because we can easily hit 417 if we do. Wow. See the bigger picture here. This is the problem. Show y'all this. See that or what? That right there. A break above it can easily hit 417. And it's definitely gonna do that, I think. I'm not sure this thing is resisting like crazy. This thing's holding on to dear life. The fudge? Let me see. Okay, we have seen some pump on the VIX. It's pumping a bit here. Yeah, that's nuts. Wow. Moment of truth, my friend. Wow, this is still holding, bro. What the fudge? Still holding. Is it breaking above? I think it is. It can also be a fake out, you know? What is that? Come on. Yo, this Bollinger Bands is about to expand to the upside or downside, bro. What the fudge? See these levels? Y'all see that? Y'all see what's happening, right? Jeez, dude. Come on, let's break below, bro. Come on, if you do get a break above, that would be ugly. This thing's gonna push like crazy if you do. Oh my god, come on, dude. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Wow, wow, wow. This level needs to be. Oh my god, no, that's not good. The fudge. Y'all see that? That's just absolutely crazy. No way. I know what it's doing. The RSI, bro. This thing's gonna push higher here. That's not a good sign, dude. I might. You know what I'm gonna do? No, maybe that's just too risky. Am I playing a risky game? I don't think so. This closed under that level. Hold on. Let's hold it here for a second. See what's going on here. Well, once we get a break but below this and then this, It's gonna be game. There we go. Finally, dude. Come on. This thing took forever, dude. What the hell? Still, we don't know. My God. Kind of frustrating. Yo. Kind of trick people out here. This could literally be another push up. Yeah, it's just freaking strong, dude. It's just absolutely crazy. Bro, we still got war in the Middle East, homie. What are you doing? This thing's tripping for real. Yeah, that is a strong resistant point. Wow, wow, wow. Hold on, I see why. Because I wasn't wearing my glasses. Wasn't wearing my shades, homie. Is that it? Yeah. I feel like they got the bulls. They're holding them by the balls here. A lot of people bought some calls here. So let's see what's going to be our target if we do drop. Jesus, still holding, dude. What the fudge? Fudge cake. Oh no, that's just red. No. It's turning green here. It's not a good sign, is it? Holy moly, what is this? I don't like this not a bit, bro. I don't like this one bit. It kind of looks dangerous. Oh my god. Oh my god. How many times did. Bro, that is one, two. Hold on. That is one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, there you go. There you go. Bro, after that 11th time, still resisting. God damn it. What the fudge is that level? Oh my god, dude. What is that level? I need to learn about it. Hold on. There's gotta be something going on at that price level. So, nothing? Are you kidding me? Nothing. Nah, maybe something. Maybe this right here. Bro, cause what the fudge? This is pretty interesting to be honest. This is very interesting. Hold on, we got that. Wow. God damn. Are you kidding me? Are you absolutely kidding me? Yeah, let's just expand this box because it's gonna take forever. Let's just expand it, my friend. Let's just expand as much as we can. Okay, it's trying again. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen here. Be pretty interesting, wouldn't it be? Somebody said, "Hey, buddy, how are you doing?" Doing fine, buddy. How you doing? How you doing, my friend? What's up? What's up, homie? Oh, there you go. Finally, is that it? Is that gonna be it, or is it just the same? I can hardly believe so, bro. It's just funny. It's just funny to me. Wow. I don't think so. Wow. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and now 15. 15. That is 15 candles. Wow. And now probably 16. Is this going to be the 16th candle? Is it going to be it? I don't know. Is this going to be it? Is this the one? Is this the chosen one? Is this promised to him 3,000 years ago? I feel like this is promised to him 3,000 years ago. I think right here it is. Is this what it is? Is this what we've been waiting for this whole time? I feel it feels like it. There you go. Okay. Okay, there you go. Nice. That's it. Fantastic. Alright, so 403 is the 50 EMA here. Yeah, I don't know. This thing can absolutely push higher. This can be a fake out to the downside and just yeah, this exactly that. Fucking I, bro. This is funny. Today's price action is funny. Oh my god. It is staying inside this freaking box. This is a still bullish as long as it stay above this level, which means no good sign. Yeah, no good sign. No good sign at all, my friend. Which means I don't like it. Yo, there we go. Okay, so we're staying under it. Perfect. Yeah, I feel like the Bollinger Band's gonna expand to the downside, which is good for us. It is healthy for us if it expands for the downward. Wow. This is consolidation mod on. Wow. Pushed above it. Oh my god. It's crazy. Yeah, this is very interesting. It kind of pushed the RSI lower. That way it can have some room for it to push back higher because look right here, the RSI was about like 88 and it was basically the same price as what it is right now. You know what I mean? Whilst now the RSI is 50 or 49 while it's being the same price. It's pretty tricky. They're being absolutely tricky here. Did not follow the rules and wow. Yeah, they're holding us by the balls, bro, here. Kinda hurts. Wow. It's pretty interesting. See what this market wants to do here. Started resisting at this point again. I feel like it's just very bullish today. Looking at it here, it's just wow. Yep, that's crazy. Wow, wow, wow. If we get a drop, it's gonna be very hard. It's gonna be a hard drop because everybody's waiting for a side to break out. Is it the downside? For me, it feels like it is the downside, but feelings aren't real. That's the problem. Yeah, still resisting at this point, yo. The fudge. This line right here is the holy line. Like, jeez. It's very interesting. We're gonna be holding, my friend. We're gonna be holding. This thing is playing. This thing's playing games. They break below this level, and then after this, break below the high of the first 5 minute candle on the day, you can easily see this 393. And if you could break below this and stay under this, that would be absolutely beautiful. We're gonna we're gonna make it we're gonna make money fist over hand even here. But below this will be big time, like yesterday, maybe even more. We'll see what happens here. Y'all know what happened yesterday? This is what I did. It kind of took the whole day for us to close the position. I didn't even do it myself. I just placed a take profit order, and let me show y'all. And then I went to sleep because the night before the trading day I didn't even sleep. So let me see if I can find that screenshot. Yeah, there it is. Let me show you all this. And look at the time where this got filled. Hold on, let me see if I can. Look at this right here. Like, this is pretty interesting, okay? Y'all see this. You know what time it closed? 12:29 p.m. That is almost 30 minutes before the market closed. The profit was 1,500. It was perfect. Put a limit at 21.35, even though it went to like 22.80 or something. That was not bad. Then I was sleeping while I was paid here. I was sleeping. I was dreaming. It's pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. Anyhow, it's just, yeah, we're being cooked. This thing is crazy strong. Wow. Look how many times it resisted here again. One, two, one, two, three. All of these. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 20, 22. This thing's kind of pushing high here. This bitch is tripping. Fudging hell, dude. It is moving the RSI lower without moving the price. You get what I'm saying? Watch. It's not a good sign. market is kind of turning red here. Look at this. Technology, almost everything's red. All of them is red. This is pretty interesting. Wow. Jeez, dude. It is doing exactly that. Fucking hell. Yeah, that's what it did. Yeah, it's pushing higher now. Break above this high is gonna be skyrocket this thing. 408.60. And we're hitting that in no time. Yeah, we already hit that. Jeez, oh jeez. 417 is now inevitable. Let's see. Why is it being super strong here? I don't get it. The market is pretty messy right now. It is very messy. Yeah, there is a break above that level. Still, that's just somehow I don't see a push higher here. I don't know why. Am I just going crazy? Am I not just accepting this loss? Am I becoming greedy? I feel like I'm being greedy here. Yeah, this is pretty interesting, isn't it? Okay, we're seeing VIX pushing. There is something about this position that I don't know. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Wow. So it is deciding to hit this level. Okay, let's hit it together then. How about that? Okay. Guys, see what's going on here? See what's going on here? Kind of being cooked. That's what's going on. Jeez. Nvidia's pushing too. $4.11 was hit effortlessly. It's quite interesting to see this. Oh my god. Wow. Very, very interesting. Wow, wow, wow. Is this guy just retested this level and just push higher here? It could. That is a pretty strong push to the upside. Very interesting. I shall apply material macro partner to develop advanced memory chip for AI. Yo. Okay. Partner to advance US innovation and next generation AI memory solutions. Oh, those are some bullish news. Pretty interesting. Let's see what happens here. Is this a lower high or what? We'll see what happens. Yeah, it is. Let me just buy a call. I'm gonna be holding into the other thingies. It's gonna. This could be a trap though. This could possibly be a trap. I'm not even joking. Should I buy a call here and just hold it for a bit? Yeah, let's just buy a call here. Fudge, and it pushed. Hold on, this could be a trap. I don't like this. Oh my god, dude, fudge. Oh, I'm holding one side. Let's just be professionals here. Let's just not be fucked by these fucking market makers. The market is pretty balanced. Wow, all of that green volume. Technologia. This is pretty interesting. Should I just play the game that I played yesterday? That is just unprofessionalism. Look, this is what I'm gonna do. Gonna do something very dangerous. Something I should not do. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, that could be quite fucky. You know what I'm saying? You know what that is? That is to buy a call right here. Buy a no no buy a pot. One more. Right at this level. I don't see that as a good idea though. Let me see it here real quick. Pretty interesting. Let's hold it here. Perhaps, maybe yeah, maybe yeah, maybe I like to buy one more put here. Maybe I'm just gangsta like that. Who knows? Yeah, maybe I'm just gangsta like that. That was a close under that level, which is good. Maybe I'm just deluding myself. Maybe I'm just playing stupid games here. Let me see. What can possibly go wrong here? I'm thinking, all right? I'm thinking here. Holy jeez, dude. Oh, no, not the market turning green. The whole market, not the whole market, homie. We are holding, baby. Not letting go of this. I'm not letting go of this position anytime soon. If possible, I'm gonna hold it for tomorrow too. So let's see. That being said, yo, I have a feeling about this position. Yeah, I'm just playing against the market. It's just not good. Not good, not even a bit. Oh my god. Delta is what? Shit, 181. What is 180 times 4? That's 720 bucks a day for 4 contracts. That is not good. Alright. Let's see. Yeah, this thing's pushing high. It's gonna hit. It's gonna hit 417 and 18 easily. We're gonna see a drop after that, obviously. It's kind of interesting here. And they closed above this level too, which is not good. Again, not so good, my friend. Well, not so good. Not so good. This can possibly lead to like 420, and it's pretty interesting, isn't it? For some reason, I just like to go against the market. For some reason, I feel like psychologically something embedded inside my mind that, oh, just go against the market. For some reason, it's very interesting. Very interesting, isn't it? we'll see what happens. For some reason, I saw the market and it was it was green, and I said I'm gonna go red. See, I'm just different. I'm just built different. See, that's what it is. That's exactly what it is. Let's play some chess while this thing playing games with us. Come on, yo. I'm not even gonna take that. Just gonna play. Oh shit. Fudge. I don't like that move. Now I know that this guy's just retarded. That's what I thought. That's what I thought, homie. Alright, 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 alright. Let's take it easy here. Let's take it easy here. Let's take it easy. See what the market's gonna do. Yeah, it's green now. The market, the whole market is green now, basically. It's greenish, you know. It's not fully green, but it is on the green side. Let's see what we're gonna do here. Oh yeah, VIX is pushing low big time, dude. Fuck. It doesn't look so good. Oh shit, what was that? What was even the point of that move? No idea. I'm just gonna play everything. Oh, what the fuck was that, dude? That was a misclick. Didn't even see it. That was absolutely a misclick. Shit. And now this is blundered, obviously. Fucked up. Right. Right. I don't know what the fuck to do here. It's just somehow been on time here. Then it's a bad position. I don't like it at all. Not even a bit. I don't like it a bit, homie. Fudge. Just type of guy. Shit. Timeout still. God damn it. God damn it. God damn it. All right. All right. We're seeing some kind sort of drop here. See if anything changed the market. Nothing. Why the fuck is the market acting the opposite? It's not. I am acting the opposite today. I feel like my brain is not braining, you know. And by the way, what is wrong with Tesla? Anyone? The fuck is going on with this thing? I don't see this. What is going on with Tesla? Is it going bankrupt or something? Alright, so pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. Yeah, this thing. This thing is annoying. That's what I'm gonna do. Hold on. I'm gonna do what I did yesterday. 347 seems reasonable for me. Let me see that one more time, please. 1260. That's what I'm gonna do. Limit 1245 and that's it. No stop loss. Just TP. Alright? That's because we're gangsta. Can you do that? No, I can't. TP 1245. That's what it is. That is TP for us. Oh, we're 100% we're gonna see a price drop there. 100%. Yeah, let's just hold there. All right, I'm gonna take off here. I put the TP. I'm not gonna sell. This thing's gonna drop 100%. I'm pretty sure about that. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe tomorrow. But yeah, take it easy, y'all. Thanks for joining in. Kind of tired as hell. I need to go to sleep. Haven't slept in a while. Take it easy, my friends. Peace.